Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're talking SUVs, specifically some of the most reliable and most affordable SUVs on the market. Now I know what you're thinking, reliable and affordable don't usually go together. But trust me on this one, guys, these SUVs have a long and storied past of reliability and they won't break the bank. Let's get started with our top picks. Alright, first up we have a legend in the world of reliable SUVs, the Toyota RAV4. You see these things and for good reason. The RAV4 has been around for decades and it's built a reputation for being virtually bulletproof. I mean, seriously, these things just go and go. They're like the Energizer bunnies of the SUV world. But it's not just about reliability with the RAV4, it's also surprisingly affordable, especially when you consider its reputation. You can find used RAV4s for a variety of budgets, and the best part, they hold their value incredibly well. So even if you decide to sell it down the line, you're likely to get a good chunk of your money back. In the car world, that's what we call a win-win. The RAV4 is all about practicality, dependability, and getting you from point A to point B without any drama. It's like that reliable friend who's always there for you no matter what. But don't just take my word for it. Go check out some of the owner reviews online. People rave about how long their RAV4s have lasted, often with minimal maintenance. So if you're looking for an SUV that's not going to let you down, the Toyota RAV4 is definitely worth a serious look. It's a legend for a reason. Up next, we have another heavy hitter in the reliability department, the Honda CR-V. This is another SUV that consistently ranks highly in terms of dependability and affordability. Honda has a knack for building cars that just last, and the CR-V is a prime example of that. One of the things I love about the CR-V is its versatility. It's got a spacious interior with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. So whether you're hauling kids to soccer practice or loading up for a weekend camping trip, the CR-V can handle it all. Plus, it gets pretty decent gas mileage, which is always a bonus these days. And just like the RAV4, the CR-V holds its value incredibly well. In fact, CR-Vs are often in such high demand that they sell for close to their original MSRP even after a few years on the road. The CR-V is also known for its smooth and comfortable ride. It soaks up bumps and dips in the road with ease, making it a great option for long drives. So if you're looking for a practical, reliable, and affordable SUV, the Honda CR-V is definitely worth checking out. It's a true classic for a reason. 14. Alright, moving on to another fantastic option, especially if you're an outdoorsy type, the Subaru Forester. Now, Subaru has a bit of a cult following, and for good reason. Their cars are known for their standard all-wheel drive, their durability, and their go-anywhere attitude. And the Forester is no exception. This is the SUV for people who like to get off the beaten path. Whether you're into hiking, camping, skiing, or just exploring dirt roads, the Forester is up for the challenge. But don't let the Forester's rugged capabilities fool you. It's also a great daily driver. It's comfortable, practical, and surprisingly fuel-efficient for an all-wheel drive vehicle. Plus, it's got that high driving position that so many SUV buyers love. And just like the other SUVs on this list, the Forester is known for its reliability. Subaru owners are a loyal bunch, and they'll be quick to tell you how long their Foresters have lasted. So if you're looking for an affordable and reliable SUV that can handle your adventurous lifestyle, the Subaru Forester is definitely worth considering. It's a true go-anywhere, do-anything kind of vehicle. Chapter 4. Mazda CX-5, the stylish and surprisingly affordable choice. Next up, we have an SUV that's a bit of a departure from the others on this list, the Mazda CX-5. Now Mazda has been making a name for themselves lately with their stylish and fun-to-drive vehicles, and the CX-5 is no exception. It's easily one of the best-looking SUVs in its class, with a sleek and sophisticated design that sets it apart from the crowd. But the CX-5 isn't just about looks. It's also surprisingly affordable, especially when you consider its premium feel and features. Mazda has done a great job of offering a lot of value for the money with the CX-5. And don't worry, the CX-5 doesn't sacrifice reliability for style. Mazda has really stepped up their game in recent years in terms of dependability, and the CX-5 is a testament to that. It consistently ranks highly in reliability surveys, proving that you can have both style and substance in one affordable package. One of the things I love about the CX-5 is its interior. It's well designed with high-quality materials and a premium feel that you wouldn't expect in this price range. Now I will say that the CX-5 isn't the most spacious SUV on this list, but for everyday driving and the occasional road trip, the CX-5's interior is more than adequate. So if you're looking for an affordable and reliable SUV that doesn't skimp on style, the Mazda CX-5 is definitely worth a test drive. Chapter 5. Hyundai Tucson, the value-packed option. Okay, let's talk about a brand that's been making waves in the automotive world, Hyundai. Hyundai has come a long way in recent years, and their vehicles are now known for their quality, reliability, and value. And the Hyundai Tucson is a prime example of that. The Tucson is a compact SUV that offers a ton of features for the money. But the Tucson isn't just about value, it's also a solid and reliable SUV. Hyundai has been working hard to shed its former image of building cheap and cheerful cars, and the Tucson is proof that they're serious about quality. It's consistently ranked highly in reliability surveys, and it comes with one of the best warranties in the business. One of the things I like about the Tucson is its comfortable and spacious interior. Plus, the Tucson is packed with technology, even on the base models. Now I will say that the Tucson isn't the most exciting SUV to drive, but hey, not everyone wants a sports car disguised as an SUV, right? Sometimes you just want a reliable and practical vehicle that gets you from point A to point B without any fuss. So if you're looking for an affordable and reliable SUV that's packed with value, the Hyundai Tucson is definitely worth considering. Chapter 6, Kia Sportage, the stylish sibling. And finally we have the Kia Sportage. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, isn't Kia just Hyundai's slightly cooler, younger sibling? And you know what, you're not wrong. Kia and Hyundai are part of the same automotive group, and they often share platforms and technologies. But that doesn't mean the Sportage is just a rebadged Tucson. The Sportage has its own distinct personality, with a sportier design and a more engaging driving experience. It's like that friend who's always up for a good time, the one who's always the life of the party. But don't let the Sportage's fun-loving nature fool you. It's also a practical and reliable SUV. It shares many of the same underpinnings as the Tucson, which means it benefits from Kia's impressive reliability record. One of the things I like about the Sportage is its stylish exterior design. And like the Tucson, the Sportage is available with a ton of features for the money. So if you're looking for an affordable and reliable SUV that's stylish and fun to drive, the Kia Sportage is definitely worth considering. Outro, affordable and reliable SUVs. There you have it, folks, 6 affordable SUVs that you can count on. These are just a few of the many great options available on the market today. So, do your research, find the one that best fits your needs and budget, and hit the road with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more car content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.